The night feels colder without you here. Your shadow fading from my wall. I reach for pieces of your memory, but they slip right through it all. The words we never said out loud still echo in my aching mind. And every time I close my eyes, I lose you one more time. I used to run from questions,